How to activate Google Workspace for non-profits. So we're gonna go ahead and start from scratch, and this is directly done through the Google for non-profit section, of course. So you could either go ahead and search for that directly in your preferred browser. Just search for Google for non-profits. Sorry about that. I had a little, but anyways, we're gonna have to sign in with your admin account, and then you could choose Google Workspace for nonprofits and then get started. It's going to be found here in the top right, and if for some reason you already have an account, just sign in, of course. But we're gonna go ahead and start from scratch. So confirm your Google account and then press on continue. Before getting started, there's a few things you can look. Some types of organizations are not eligible and will not be verified. So if you want your Google Workspace for nonprofits to be activated, make sure not a school, academic institution, or university, not a hospital, not a governmental entity. So follow these rules. And then just go ahead and press on next. Where is your organization registered? So choose your actual country or region. And if you can't find it, that means Google for nonprofits will not and has not, supported your country or region yet. Then go ahead and press on next, and you're gonna have to answer a few questions to determine your eligibility. So make sure you have the following: your nonprofit registration number in the US, your organization's physical address, and your organization's online contact information. And then after that, you're just gonna go ahead and wait for the verification. So it's gonna take around 2 to 14 business days, and you can go to your account page anytime to check the status, and then you can start activating your products. Once you receive confirmation that your organization has been verified, you'll be able to activate Google products and then start using them. And on how to do that specifically, they should just lead you on how to do so. But that is the general idea on how you could get led to activating your Google Workspace for nonprofits. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.